So today I just got delivered through Amazon a pressure washer made by Tacklife. So this is all the contents out of the box, and I am going to show you how to put it together. First step is to stabilize it. I'm going to just tip it right on its side. You can see what I'm doing here. This wheel has a spring-loaded clip that you just line up with the hole. Takes a little bit of finagle, and there, bam. It's that simple. Alright, now we're going to put the handle on. Next simple task. Let's get that lined up. And you're going to find these in your kit. Stick the bolt through the hole. You have to wiggle and finagle without stripping it. Let's try this one on this side. Sometimes your luck will be better. So now, washer on this side. Can you see what I'm doing? Probably not. Still can't see what I'm doing. Oh boy. Take two. So you do that on both sides. You work them through. Now you got to tighten it up. I got that fish through. Sometimes you got to wiggle the handle to get it lined up. To slide through good. And for the first time, they're a little bit tight because they haven't been used. But you want to snug it up. Okay, how do we put our gun together? We're going to put that gun together right now. There's a brass fitting right there. That's going to be for your hose end. And here's the nozzle end right here. You're going to see a brass fitting. This turns like this. Turn both ways. 7/8 wrench will snug it up. Good to go. Let's take a look at our fittings. For the end, the spray nozzles, they're color coded right here. You see that? So we're going to put the black one right there. Green is right here next to my hand. Red right here is next to my hand. So white is here, and then yellow. I'm going to use the green one at a 15-degree nozzle. This is like a quick disconnect setup here. And we can place this gun right in its holster, right like that. Our next step is to hook up the hose. Very simple procedure. Set the hose right in the holster there on the back side, and I'm going to show you this, moving my camera. And this guy here pushing through to the back of the hose. And like voila, you got your hose on. So this is where you put your hose on the back side. Just tighten that right up snug. You don't need any pliers. Shouldn't have to. And there, your machine is now all together. It's that quick, that simple. But always remember, it doesn't come with oil in it. They give you this nice, cute little funnel, and you're going to put your oil right here where it goes. So we'll just open this up. There's something in there, but so you hook up your funnel, and there you go. You're going to add your oil as directed. So the oil that belongs in this motor by the directions is 10W30, so I put 10W30. I filled up my gas tank. I turned on my gas, let it fill up the sediment bowl. I got my machine on run and choke, and I turn on the on switch. We're going to try to see if this thing will fire up. See what she does. First try. You don't want to run it long. Yep, on run. That's on. This is on. You're on and off switch. So let's see how many pulls. That easy, right out of the box. So far so good. We'll try running some pressure, some water through it, and cleaning some equipment, and we'll go from there. I'll give you later my ideas on it. I think she's going to be a good one. 3,300 psi, Tacklife, 2.6 gallons per minute. She's a little beast. $350. Amazon.com.